We actually now have news coming in from the Delhi High Court, which has granted 2 weeks' time for Twitter to file an affidavit in the physical form. Let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar joining us for the very latest on this. Arvind, Twitter had basically said that they wanted 8 weeks' time to appoint a grievance officer who was an Indian citizen. That being by the High Court now granting only 2 weeks' time to do the same.
No, Sonal. In fact, today morning, Twitter's counsel filed a note before the Delhi High Court seeking 8 weeks' time to appoint a full-time chief compliance officer, resident grievance officer, and also nodal contact person. So that particular note was signed by the Twitter's counsel, senior counsel, and it was filed before the Delhi High Court. When the matter was taken up for the hearing a short while ago, the counsel appearing for the central government pointed out that it's just a note and it's not an affidavit that has been filed by Twitter. In fact, it's just a note that has been filed on behalf of Twitter by the Twitter's counsel. So that's when the Delhi High Court has asked the Twitter to file an affidavit in physical form within 2 weeks' time, because the Twitter's counsel pointed out that the authorized representative to file such an affidavit is in US, and it will take some time for the person to courier the same because it has to be filed in a physical form. That's where the High Court has given 2 weeks' time for the Twitter to file that affidavit in physical form, and also the scanned copy of the same has to be filed by July 11th. So this is the first direction that has been given by the Delhi High Court to Twitter. Twitter today morning, on behalf of Twitter, the counsel also filed a note that also detailed about the interim officer, interim chief compliance officer, and also interim resident grievance officer, and also interim nodal officer being appointed on behalf of Twitter. So for that, the Delhi High Court has said that even all those three interim officers, they also have to file a separate affidavit taking responsibility for their own duties for chief compliance officer and also resident grievance officer and also nodal contact officer. While passing this order, the Delhi High Court has also made it very clear that there won't be any protection that will be given by Delhi High Court for non-compliance with the IT rules, and the matter has been posted after 20 days. So that Twitter has to file a affidavit detailing the appointments, and also the respective interim officers, they also have to file a respective affidavit taking responsibility for their own duties.
All right. And Arvind, this comes on a very interesting day as well. Country has a new IT minister, but he's literally picked up from his predecessor in this case, where the messaging is very clear that the minister might have changed, but the policy of Government of India towards Twitter, that has not.
Yeah, Sonal, it's no more a policy because it's a rule. The rule has been notified. The new IT rules have been notified, and it has come into effect from May 26. So with the change of minister, the rules won't change because it has been notified. But even today in the hearing also, a very interesting argument was put forth by the Twitter counsel when the ASG appearing for the central government, Chetan Sharma, he made an argument saying that Twitter has not complied with any of the new IT rules, and it's a matter of non-compliance, for which Twitter's counsel argued saying that even if there is a matter of non-compliance, that we have not complied with the new IT rules, the only thing that we will be losing is the immunity for the immunity against penal action for the third-party content. Apart from that, there cannot be any penal action for not complying with the said new rules. So that was a submission that was put forth by Twitter counsel, and he also made sure that he also brought it to the court's notice, saying that the center cannot try to penalize Twitter through the court because we have not complied with the new IT rules. That was a very interesting argument that was put forth by the Twitter counsel. But again, the matter has been adjourned for 20 days, and the next date of hearing we have to see what will be the final order from the Delhi High Court side.